It's written in Chinese. There's Chinese writing on it as well. Look, see? On the door. So what happens if you don't understand Chinese? This is a tiny home straight from China. These have been imported directly from China, and it might look small, but in actual fact, it's going to end up looking like that. Tammy, why don't you show us what it looks like?
Come this way.
Woo, let's go check it out. All right, so we're heading now over to the fully finished tiny Tammy home, like that. And it's almost finished, but what you'll notice is that it still needs some electricity and some plumbing done, which is going to be done from the professionals. But what have we got here? Why is it on stilts, Tammy? What
It needs to be level. We need to make it level.
And is it safe to?
Absolutely, it is.
So you can walk inside it.
Yes.
All right.
We have 12. Yep, 12 piers.
12 piers, and you put concrete down, I guess.
No, road base.
Road base. And you put some better block, road base, and is there something sticking it, like is something sticking it to the floor?
Yes.
There you go. Some more.
And then I
stuff.
fill it up with rocks.
So it's like solid as a rock, really. Okay, cool. All right, so we're looking at it. Where is the entrance? Show us. It's even got a key. It's even got a key.
Does it look key? Okay, Daddy.
Love it. So this is the main entrance, which is actually like a French door.
You can have back in a sec.
And the great thing about it is it's got complete privacy because it's reflective. So you can see out, but you can't see in, except for at night time. So you might want to be careful.
No, wait, Mum.
Wow. Oh my gosh, you've got TV here. Did that come with it?
No, I bought that.
It's a nice TV. All right, so you can see it's got laminate flooring. So did you put this laminate flooring down?
No.
Or?
It's already in it. It all comes. It folds here. So there's one of the folds. The roof folds up.
Whoa.
The floor folds down and walls fold out.